Welcome everybody to Friday Night SmackDown, and today we are going to have night 1 of draft. So today only 6 rounds of draft will be conducted and other 6 will be in second part on Monday Night Raw. So before starting, let's introduce the general managers. Raw General Manager Mr. Adam Pearce, and for SmackDown our General Manager is Sonia Deville. So first start of the things, we'll have a match between Charlotte Flair from Raw and Becky Lynch for SmackDown to determine the first pick of draft. The match will be won by SmackDown's Becky Lynch. It means SmackDown gets the first pick. Let's go through the rules first. Well, I'm going to tell my rules which I have used in this video. So, there are 50 superstars to be drafted, including tag teams as one pick. And there will be 6 rounds this time, 6 rounds in the Raw video, and there will be some superstars who will be sent to NXT as well. So without any further ado, let the draft begin. First pick of this draft from SmackDown is the Universal Champion, the Tribal Chief Roman Reigns. First pick from Raw is the WWE Champion Brock Lesnar. Second pick is the rated R superstar Edge. Ding dong, hello and welcome Bailey to Raw. Tribal Chief used his influence and got his cousins, the Usos, SmackDown Tag Team Champions, drafted early in SmackDown. So round 1 consists of Roman Reigns, Brock Lesnar, Edge, Bailey and the Usos. Round 2 begins with Raw picking up Rhea Ripley and SmackDown with John Cena. Raw Tag Team Champion AJ Styles and Omos are retained. And that's a shocker, Drew McIntyre is going to SmackDown. All bask in his glory cause US Champion Keith Lee is retained. Round 2 ends up with Rhea Ripley, John Cena, AJ and Omos, Drew McIntyre and Keith Lee. Third round begins with SmackDown picking up their Women's Champion Bianca Belair and Raw with the next phase of the tag team division, RK Bro. The almighty Bobby Lashley alongside MVP is retained. And once again the Monday Night Messiah is back to his land. The man Becky Lynch goes back to the birthplace of the man, SmackDown. So round 2 consists of Bianca Belair, RK Bro, Bobby Lashley, Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch. Raw picks up Eva Marie with her new partner Dewdrop. SmackDown gets a NXT call-up in form of Breezango. Sami Zayn, the Liberator, is now in Raw. Cruz, the Intercontinental Champion, alongside Aziz is retained, and Alexa Bliss and that Spooky Doll is also retained. So round 4 consists of Eva Marie with Dewdrop, Breezango, Sami Zayn, Cruz and Aziz, and Alexa Bliss. We would like to interrupt the program for a minute because it's time for the most unlikable thing about watching TV. Ad commercial break. See you right back. The world, you all know, is changing. The world is on fire. If you want to save your world, there is just one simple step to save it. See, if we don't care about the earth, who will? So, to save the earth, dance like Sami. Yeah, save the earth, dance like Sami. Welcome back to SmackDown where we are having draft. Round 5 begins with SmackDown calling up Adam Cole, and Raw retains the Queen, Charlotte Flair. SmackDown gets the Mr. Money in the Bank, Kevin Owens. Raw gets the glorious team of Dirty Doubts, and SmackDown retains Cesaro. Round 5 consists of Adam Cole, Charlotte Flair, Kevin Owens, Dirty Doubts, and Cesaro. Final round for today begins with Io Shirai coming to Raw and the Fiend Bray Wyatt going back to SmackDown. Jeff Hardy is retained and Sasha Banks is retained as well. Raw has the New Day retained. Round 6 ends up with Io Shirai, Fiend Bray Wyatt, Jeff Hardy, Sasha Banks, and the New Day. That's it for the night 1 of Draft at Friday Night SmackDown. Well, the second part will come out soon in form of Monday Night Raw. And one friendly reminder, these draft picks were my prediction, they can't be real. So don't be serious, have fun. Till then, it's me Lil Hamster signing off. See you next time and stay tuned.
Here we go.